The decline of traditional television and the shift towards digital streaming platforms has been a complex phenomenon impacting broadcasters globally. Here's a comprehensive look at why broadcasters are in panic mode. Introduction. Television, once the dominant medium for entertainment and news consumption, is facing a transformative period marked by the rise of digital streaming services and changing viewer habits. This shift has sparked concern among broadcasters worldwide, prompting them to reevaluate their strategies and adapt to a rapidly evolving landscape. Evolution of television broadcasting. 1. Historical perspective *. From the early days of black and white broadcasts to the era of cable television, broadcasters have played a central role in shaping public discourse and entertainment consumption. 2. The rise of cable and satellite *. Cable and satellite television expanded viewer options and revenue streams for broadcasters, offering diverse content and subscription models. Challenges faced by broadcasters. 1. Cord-cutting phenomenon *. Increasing numbers of viewers are opting to cut the cord in favor of streaming services, which offer on-demand content and flexibility. 2. Audience fragmentation *. Traditional broadcast audiences are fragmenting across various platforms, making it harder for broadcasters to reach and retain viewers. Digital disruption and its impact. 1. Streaming services *. Platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus have revolutionized content delivery, offering original programming and extensive libraries at competitive prices. 2. Changing consumer behavior *. Viewers now prefer personalized viewing experiences, binge watching, and ad-free content, which streaming services often provide. Economic pressures on broadcasters. 1. Advertising revenue decline *. Advertisers are shifting budgets from traditional TV to digital platforms that offer more targeted and measurable advertising options. 2. Cost of content production *. Producing high-quality content is expensive, and broadcasters face competition from streaming giants that invest heavily in original programming. Regulatory and technological challenges. 1. Regulatory changes *. Shifting regulatory landscapes and compliance requirements pose challenges for broadcasters navigating global markets. 2. Technological advancements *. The transition to digital broadcasting, HD and 4K standards, and the emergence of 5G technology are reshaping how content is delivered and consumed. Strategies for survival and adaptation. 1. Embracing digital platforms *. Many broadcasters are launching their own streaming services or partnering with existing platforms to reach digital-first audiences. 2. Diversifying revenue streams *. Beyond advertising, broadcasters are exploring subscription models, content licensing, and merchandise sales to bolster revenue. Case studies and industry responses. 1. Traditional broadcasters *. Analysis of how traditional broadcasters in different regions are responding to the digital shift, e.g., BBC, NBC, NHK. 2. Streaming giants *. Examination of strategies employed by leading streaming services and their impact on the broader media ecosystem. Future outlook and predictions. 1. Convergence of media *. The future of television may involve a convergence of traditional broadcasting and digital streaming, creating hybrid models that cater to diverse audience preferences. 2. Technological innovations *. Anticipated developments such as augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and AI-driven content recommendations could further reshape the industry. Conclusion. The landscape of television broadcasting is undergoing significant transformation driven by digital disruption, changing viewer behaviors, and economic pressures. Broadcasters are challenged to innovate, adapt, and find new ways to engage audiences while maintaining profitability in an increasingly competitive environment. This overview provides a comprehensive exploration of why broadcasters are in panic mode amidst the slow decline of traditional television and the implications for the future of media consumption.